Did you know a dam can survive a disaster that kills over 2,000 people and still be standing perfectly intact today? In 1963, engineers built the Vajont Dam in northern Italy. It was a marvel, one of the tallest dams in the world at the time. But geologists had been raising alarms for years. The mountain slope above the reservoir was unstable. The rock was slowly creeping toward the water. They wrote reports. They gave warnings. Nobody in charge wanted to hear it. On the night of October 9th, 250 million cubic meters of rock broke loose and crashed into the reservoir all at once. The water had nowhere to go. A wave nearly 250 meters tall launched over the top of the dam and swallowed the valley below. The town of Longarone was gone in under a minute. The dam itself never cracked, not even close. It still stands today above an empty valley, completely untouched, because the engineers built the right thing in exactly the wrong place and refused to listen to the people who knew better.